Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to fix CJEX on PS5. The first step for many glitches is a simple restart of your console. Just power down your PS5 completely, wait about 10 seconds, and then power it back on. Make sure to fully close the CJEX application before you do this. Also, always check if there are any pending updates for the game itself. Sometimes a bug fix is already waiting. Often, online game issues stem from your network connection. Start by checking your internet speed and making sure it's stable, aiming for at least 50 Mbps download for optimal online play. If you're currently on Wi-Fi, consider connecting your PS5 directly with an Ethernet cable for a more reliable connection. Finally, try restarting your home router and modem. This can often clear up various network glitches instantly. Sometimes, corrupt game data can cause problems. To address this, try rebuilding your PS5 database from safe mode. This reorganizes your console's files without deleting game data. It's also crucial that your PS5 system software is running the latest version, as updates often include stability improvements. Access the settings menu to check for and install any available system updates, which typically takes around 5–10 minutes. If the issue persists, a complete game reinstallation can resolve deeply rooted software problems. Delete CJEX from your console, then re-download and install it from your library. This process can take over an hour depending on your internet speed and the game's size, which is usually around 80 GB. While you're at it, restoring your game licenses through the PSN settings can often fix access issues or strange errors. If all software fixes fail, the problem might be hardware-related. Carefully inspect your PS5 for any unusual sounds, overheating, or visual glitches that could indicate a console issue. If you suspect hardware, or if the problem remains unsolved, your best course of action is to contact PlayStation support directly. Be ready to provide any error codes and a detailed description of the problem for efficient assistance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.